what we do with Slush every day, either in the morning or the evenings, whatever works best. And it helps him with his sore shoulder. We notice him limping a little bit, and this really helps, just stretching out his muscles and doing a little bit of physio every day. And he loves the treats time and the attention, so. Right, Slush? Perfect, Slush. It's time for your physio. Okay, now how to do this. Get a handful of his favorite treats. Liverpool. Good boy. Stay. No, stay. No, you know how to do this. Good boy. 1, 2. Good boy. 3, 4. Good boy. 5, 6. Good boy. 7, 8. Good boy. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Good job. Now let's do the other paw. Up. Paw. Up. No. This is paw. Good boy. Okay, good boy. Good boy. Up. That's good. 1. That's good. 2. Good boy. 3. Good boy. 4. Good boy. 5. Good boy. 6. Good boy. 7. Good boy. 8. Good boy. 9. Good boy. 10. 11. Good boy. Stay. 12. Good boy. 13. Good boy. 14. Good boy. 15. Good job, baby. This back stretch is definitely harder, but here we go. Okay, I'll try it. This might have to. Okay, come here. Come here. Good boy. Stay. Good boy. Follow the treats. Run here. Run treats. Run treats. Come here. Good boy. 1, 2. Good boy. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 13, 14, 15. Just come here. Good boy. That's it. Stay there. Now we'll do this side. Come here. Good boy. 1. Good boy. 2. Good boy. 3. Good boy. 4. Good boy. 5. Come here. Good boy. 6. Good boy. 7. Good boy. 8. Good boy. 9. Good boy. 10. Good boy. 11. Good boy. 12. Good boy. 13. Good boy. 14. Good boy. 15. Good job. Good job. Good job. And then we do his back paw. But it's really Slush's. It's really his shoulder that it hurts. So we'll just stretch it out for Stevenness. Good boy. That's it. 1. That's it. Stay. 2. That's it. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good boy. 10. Stay. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Good job. Good job. Should we do the other side? Can we do the other side? One more for the yummiest treats ever. Okay, up, up. Good boy. Stay, stay. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah. Good boy. Give it to me. That's it. That's it. 1. Good boy. That's it. You're good. You're good. 2. Good boy. 3. Good boy. 4. Good boy. Stay. 5. Good boy. 6. Oh my God. Good boy. 7. Good boy. 8. Good boy. 9. 9. Almost there. You're almost there. 10. 11. 12. 13. 14. helpful. Yay! Good job! And you know what your treat is? Can you sit? Sit! Oh, very good job. Look at that. Yummers. And that's it for Slush's physio time today. We're all very happy about it, right, Slush? You're happy? Was that nice? Did that feel good?